Welcome to another MedYouCate Originals video. Robotically assisted laparoscopic transperitoneal adrenalectomy due to cortisol-producing tumor of the right adrenal gland. In this first schematic picture, we can see the positioning of the trocars. For this surgery, we are going to need 3 Da Vinci 8mm trocars, as well as one 10mm trocar and one 5mm trocar for the liver retractor. The first Da Vinci trocar is going to be positioned transumbilically, and it's going to serve as a camera trocar. On the right and on the left from this trocar, we're going to place additional 2 Da Vinci trocars, one hand width apart from the camera trocar.